Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. AJ Reese here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add an animated background to your Windows 10 desktop. Now, a couple of you are probably going to be thinking, well, why would I even want an animated background? Well, stick around to the end of this video and I'll give you the exact reason why I think you should be adding an animated background to your desktop. Before we jump into this tutorial, guys, if you feel that this has been helpful and this is something that you would want to do, don't forget to leave a comment down below, leave a like rating, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and ding that bell for notifications. Alternatively, if you want to come and speak to me while I'm live streaming, I stream on twitch.tv/AJ Reese, link in the description down below, and I'm live every Thursday and Saturday. Last but not least, if you ever wanted to send me a quick direct message, come and join the Discord community, come join Reese's Ranch, link for that Discord group down below. The Discord is full of other streamers and other content creators and some really good tech advisors in there as well. So don't forget to come and join the Discord. So let's jump in and get you an animated desktop background. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to open up a new Google Chrome browser and going up to the URL and typing in lively wallpaper and hitting enter. Now you'll see here that there is a option to go to the Microsoft Store. However, we're not going to do that. We are going to do the roxdanister.github.io and we're going to click on that link just here. From here, it's going to take you to the main page for this main website, and you can see here that the lively wallpaper has a download button straight away on the main screen. So we're going to go ahead and hit download. And we're going to download the installer. From here then, once that download has finished, we're going to open up our downloads folder, and as you can see, we've got the lively setup just here. So we're going to double click that and install for me only. You can install this for all other users depending on how many people are using your PC. I'm the only one that uses my PC, so I'm going to install for me only. We're then going to install this in English. And then we're going to go through the setup wizard together. I'm just going to close the Chrome tab. So we're going to hit next, accept the license terms and agreements, choose where you would like to have your lively wallpaper installed. I'm going to install it on my main drive. I'm going to leave this button with the start with Windows completely checked, just so then every time my computer turns on, it will instantly switch itself on and we'll have that background there. And I'll create a desktop shortcut as well and hit next. Confirm and install. Once that installation has then been complete, we're then going to launch lively wallpaper. You'll then be greeted with the next phase. We're going to hit next. Start with Windows, we'll make sure that that's switched on. Hit next. We'll have the normal interface. Hit next. And then it will minimize down in the bottom corner. So as you can see here, you can see the little colors down here for lively wallpaper. So we're going to close that. If you try and close and it says finish the setup to continue, don't worry. Just go down to this little arrow here and double click lively wallpaper. Now, as you can see, we've got some examples as to what we can set for our lively wallpaper. It comes with a couple of nice little versions. I know Eternal Light is quite nice. So if I was to set that as my desktop background and minimize that tray, we've now got an animated Windows backdrop with a nice sunset and the ocean. I know at the start of the video I said, why would you necessarily need an animated wallpaper? Well, here's my reason for wanting an animated wallpaper. As I go back into the lively options, we've got the addition here to add a wallpaper. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select a file from my desktop. And as you can see, I've got plenty of little videos here, and I actually have an animated background.mp4. I'm going to open that up. It's going to process my animation. We can fill in the description, the author and the website if we want to. It's created a preview as well, which we don't necessarily need, but I'm then going to hit OK. It's then going to process using this blue bar at the bottom. And then once that's done, my own animated background has been added. So if I just minimize this, I now have my logo in an animated format as my Windows background. Now, this can be really useful because if you're filming or if you have photos taken for Instagram or any of your other social medias, this is a great way to have your background that's not just sitting on your desktop as a static image. Now, last but not least, as you go into the lively wallpaper, you'll see the monitor settings up here in the control panel. Now, as I have 3 monitors, I can have it on the selected screen only. I can span it across all 3 of my screens, or I can duplicate it on each screen. I can then close that, minimize this, and doesn't matter which screen I'm looking at, each screen will have the exact same animated background. In addition to adding your own animated background with your own video, you don't necessarily have to have it as a local file. When we go into the add wallpaper, you can also enter a YouTube URL as well. So if you know an animated background that maybe a content creator has created that you think would really suit your theme of your computer, you can add that YouTube URL into here and then click search. It will then find that and process it for you in the same way that we process the local file. So guys, let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Is an animated logo or an animated background something you would want on your screen? And if so, what would you have? Make sure to leave a comment down below. And as always guys, may your lobbies be full of bots and the odds be forever in your favour.